Kyle Alvarez. I'm a PhD student at UTS.
My name's Kate and I study mechanical engineering.
My current research is on machine learning. So trying to get, robots to not think for themselves so much as guide them towards doing a certain thing. It's like a certain task. So you can do supervised learning, let's say if I got my hand and actually try to do a motion with it, like pick up an object. I'm trying to get, let's say, a robotic arm to do a similar thing just by inspection or by using different sensors.
I think the first thing that I started looking at in robotics would have been like small electronic kits. They had like LEDs and little wires that you plug in and solder. My dad used to buy those, and I remember as a young kid he would do the soldering, but I would get to like put the wires where they went, and then I remember just being really excited when you actually turn it on, the LEDs start flashing.
The first thing I made was a kit-looking thing where you had to program like a mechatronics system into it. You had to put in a sequence pattern based on your student number and lights on a few LEDs and stuff. It's basically relatively low-level stuff. But just that was like, oh cool, like me programming code into something actually makes a difference and I can actually see it in real life.
So after I'd started basic robotics as a child, probably the next stage that I looked at was I would always find myself eventually getting to the role of fixing things. I came to university with the idea of I wanted to do engineering, but I didn't really know what engineering meant or the kind of jobs that were available. I met people doing projects that I had never even considered were possible, and the amount of scope that was available for robotics was huge. There was a bit of a learning curve, but I'm having a lot of fun and learning a lot of things on the way.